this is how we can add a signature in the Gmail on your Mac, right? So what I'm gonna do is that I'm gonna open up the Safari where I'm signed in with my Gmail account, and in there I can manage the account right there. So you can see I have some options in there, so I can enable the side panel, but essentially we are looking for the settings. So as you can see, I have the gear icon for the settings, so I can enable it like this. And at first I have like the quick settings, so some stuff which you might like and how it shows up in here, but we want to click on the see all settings button, which opens up the full settings mode. And in there you have plenty of ways to customize your way, right? But you can see that we have the ability to change the signature. So as you can see in the all settings, part of the general right there, because you can obviously go to the other stuff too, but if you go to general, you can see below that we have the signature right there. So you can click on create a new one like this, and you can type in your signature name. So I don't know, I would type in the Foxtecc, right? You can see that we have 320 characters available, and right now this is the signature which I currently have, right? So of course you can do more stuff with it. You can see that if I now come back to it, it is the signature is still right there, and I can also change some stuff with it. So I can click on an image in there, and I can also add an image which is going to be part of that signature. So I can, for example, go to Google Drive and find something which I have in here, or paste something from the URL, or even do more stuff with it, right? So obviously you can add more text in here and so on, right? So yeah, you can change the font, and you can see all of the options in there. So there's the name which I use, and the signature can be typed right in here. So I don't know, I'm gonna type in the best regards, and Foxtecc is going to be added as the name, and then that's essentially my signature. But keep in mind that once you are done with it, once you have added your name and the signature, perhaps the image or formatting, make sure you click on the save changes, and at the bottom it's kind of like a smaller thing, right? So you can see, click on save changes, so it actually gets saved, and you're going to come back to the main section. And right now, if I try to compose an email and send it to myself, right, I'm going to type in hello, it should already contain the signature, right? So if I go to the primary, you can see I have received it, but it doesn't really show the signature, because probably because it's just for me. But that's essentially how it works. That's how you can add the signature right there. Let me know if it worked for you. Definitely subscribe for more, and I'll see you later in future uploads.